Have you ever enjoyed a refreshing citrus-flavored beverage, such as a sports drink or soda? If so, you may have consumed brominated vegetable oil, BVO, a food additive that is used to keep the flavoring from separating and floating to the top. However, the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, has recently proposed banning the use of BVO in food after new studies found that the ingredient could cause adverse health effects in humans. BVO is a vegetable oil that has been modified with bromine. It is a clear, odorless liquid that is used as an emulsifier in food and beverages. Emulsifiers are used to help mix together ingredients that would not normally mix, such as oil and water. In the case of citrus-flavored beverages, BVO is used to keep the flavoring from separating and floating to the top. The FDA has been concerned about the safety of BVO for many years. In 1970, the FDA determined that BVO was no longer generally recognized as safe, GRAs, and began overseeing its use under food additive regulations. Over the years, the FDA has conducted a number of studies on the safety of BVO. These studies have shown that BVO can accumulate in the body and cause a variety of health problems, including thyroid disruption, nerve damage, reproductive problems, and cancer. In 2014, the European Union banned the use of BVO in food and beverages. Japan banned BVO in 2010. In 2023, the FDA published the results of a new study on the safety of BVO. The study found that BVO exposure can disrupt thyroid function in pregnant rats and their offspring. The study also found that BVO exposure can cause reproductive problems in male rats, including reduced sperm count and motility. On November 2, 2023, the FDA proposed banning the use of BVO in food. The agency's decision is based on the results of recent studies that have shown the potential for adverse health effects from BVO exposure. The FDA's proposed ban is open for public comment for 75 days. If the ban is finalized, BVO will be banned from use in food in the United States. BVO is a brominated vegetable oil, which means that it contains bromine. Bromine is a toxic halogen that can cause a variety of health problems, including thyroid disruption, nerve damage, reproductive problems, and cancer. This article has explored the science behind BVO, the FDA's proposed ban, and the potential health risks associated with BVO exposure. We've also discussed what consumers can do to avoid BVO and protect their health.
Thyroid disruption. The thyroid is a gland that produces hormones that regulate metabolism, growth, and development. BVO exposure can disrupt thyroid function, which can lead to a variety of health problems, including weight gain, fatigue, sensitivity to cold, constipation, dry skin, hair loss, and nerve damage. BVO exposure can also damage the nervous system, leading to muscle weakness, numbness and tingling, loss of coordination, and memory loss. It has also been shown to cause reproductive problems in both male and female animals, reducing sperm count and motility in males, and disrupting the menstrual cycle and reducing fertility in females. Some studies have linked BVO exposure to cancer, specifically in the testes of rats. Consumers can avoid BVO by checking the ingredient labels of their favorite beverages and choosing alternatives such as gum arabic, xanthan gum, guar gum, cellulose gum, and pectin, which are derived from natural sources and considered safe for human consumption. The FDA's proposed ban on BVO is a positive step towards protecting public health. Consumers can provide feedback on the proposed ban by contacting the FDA at 1-888-INFO-FDA. It is important to note that BVO is not banned in all countries and is still used in some foods and beverages in Europe and Japan. However, many beverage manufacturers have successfully reformulated their products to replace BVO with alternative ingredients. It is best to avoid BVO whenever possible.